Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can enable safe search on your Google Chrome. So that means if you're enabling safe search, you cannot see any explicit or sexually inappropriate images or videos on your browser. So it is a very useful tool. So to enable it, to turn it on, just go to your Chrome browser and here search google.com/safe search. Just click enter, and here you can see three options. That is the filter, helps filter out explicit image, text or links, and the second option is blur, helps blur explicit image but explicit text or links may show. All I have, you can either select it or you can either select the blur option. Whether you prefer the filter or blur option is up to you. Just select it, and after selecting it, your safe search will be enabled. So this is the video, and I hope this is a helpful video for you, and I'll see you guys in the next